out in front of my house here.
Don't drive it by me because you're going to oversteer and hit me.
Start out over here, Justin. He's adjusting it because he just crashed it hard. Again. Oh!
Uh-oh, I might...
I think he broke it. And I got it on tape. Oh my god, that was good. I'm glad I grabbed the camera when I did. Here he comes back for the walk of shame. Alright, that's what Justin just did when he hit the stop sign.
Dude, I got that fuel line
Ripped it right off.
just in
He
time.
might have blown up the motor.
No, I got that fuel.
Dude, you jarred everything. That was a hard hit, dude.
I know.